everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up Empress Mimi, which is a lingerie subscription, and the presentation is always so beautiful. I haven't received this box in a while, so I was happy when it arrived at my door. Empress Mimi is sent to me free for review. So today we will unbox this. I'll tell you a little bit about it, and yeah, let's get started. But before we do so, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and I open them every single day here in our channel. So if you love subscription boxes too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. So back to Empress Mimi, lingerie subscription. I did not know this until today, but Empress Mimi is very inclusive. They have a size for most people. They actually have a bra size all the way up to 44G, so I think that is great. They offer 2 different subscription plans, and they also have a shop, so you can just buy individual items or sets. So I will link them down below, and I will do my best to try and search for a promo code, so if I do find one, I will leave that in the description box as well. But let's get started. The box is so pretty, tied up in this baby blue string. This does come from the UK, but it obviously ships to the US and other locations as well. So right when I open it, this is what I see. Oh my god, sneak peek, how cute. So it looks like the theme or the set is Aurora. Everything's so shiny and reflective. And there's a quote right on top. Day's sweetest moments are at dawn. Refreshed by his long sleep, the light kisses the languid lips of night. Ella Wheeler Wilcox. And then there's a note from Empress Mimi. Dear Empress, unveil a box full of sunshine, a gift to the beaming goddess that is you. Inspired by Aurora, who personifies the first light of day, sister to both sun and moon and mother to the winds, Aurora represents the space between light and darkness. Let this set remind you to wake up with joy and power every morning, to rise and shine and unleash your radiance. We hope that this ensemble helps you bring light to overcome the darkness of the night, to give you the hope and rejuvenation that you need to resume life's journey every single day. Wear yours to bed while you dream and wake up invigorated. With love and adoration, Empress Mimi. Oh my god, you guys, this is beautiful. So it looks like we have a top and a bottom. So this is the top. It is beautiful. Oh my god, the colors are perfect for Aurora. This yellow with this light blue. And the straps are adjustable. So this is a beautiful, like, silky cami. And at the bottom, it also has this pattern. So pretty. Let me show you better. This is what it looks like. And the back. And this feels really nice too. Oh my god, I love this. This is so pretty. This might be my favorite thing yet that we've received from Empress Mimi. And then here is the underwear that matches it. I love that it's so matchy. It's a thong. So pretty. I love the lace and the colors and the story behind it. So great. And then there's just one more thing in the box that tells us about their return policy, which is actually really great. I believe you get 2 weeks to try it on, and you can either return it or exchange it for a size if it does not fit you. So yep, 14 days from the date you receive it. So I think that is great. And then it also talks about their loyalty program. It says loyalty gets treated like royalty. So if you refer some friends, you'll get $10 credit. That's great. And your friend will also get $10 off their first order. Guys, I love this. I think it is so beautiful, so comfy. Oh my god, well, I can't wait to try this on. I'll wear it to bed. I always feel so nice when I wear like fancy PJs and like sexy lingerie and stuff. Even if no one else sees it, it just makes me feel really good. So I think this is great. Again, I will link Empress Mimi down below so you can browse their site and everything, and also subscribe if you are interested. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.